Buckle up for safety. It's going to be a wild ride. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard the BUBBA'S Daily Update for Thursday, October the 28th, and it's been crazy already today, and it looks like it's going to get just about to get a little bit wilder. And we'll see how it plays out, but in the meantime, this update is brought to you by our friends and partners at the Capital Trading Group. Now, again, they're a broker, and we have many brokers, but our preference for futures and commodities is CTG or Capital Trading Group, just because they've got the best customer service. They're the only ones I've authorized for letter direction trading. They've got great managed futures products of their own, and they trade all my accounts. Check them out, info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. In the meantime, the markets are flying higher. They've been all over the place, but right now the Dow's up 170. And remember, these prices could be totally different when you get this. The Nasdaq is up 85, the S&P is up 27, and the Russell's up over 300. Now, the interesting action today has been in the metals. You've got, it looked like gold and silver were ready to take off, and suddenly they put the brakes on and kind of reverse. I mean, silver is lower, we're long. Gold is higher, we're long. Platinum, we would be long, which is higher, but they were much higher. And it just seems they're in this wild range of trade, which indicates to me that there's a much bigger move coming, and I don't see it to the downside. But listen, anything can happen, but we are long for now. Okay. Bonds and notes are lower. All right. Again, we're short them both. They were up big yesterday. We didn't reverse, but they're wild. And this is the battle, and it appears to be the battle over interest rates. Okay, and what they're going to do, and I think the bond vigilantes want to push, but of course the Fed heads, the idiots there want to, keep giving away free money and taxing us more. So we'll see. In the meantime, the crude oil is only down 47. I say only because it was down almost $2 earlier. And after yesterday's big bash, pretty good solid results. We're still long crude. The dollar is lower and we are long. Bitcoin, making up yesterday's losses, up about 2,500. They had the new Bitcoin Lanthium. It's not a Bitcoin, but it says Bitcoin Lanthium, which launched yesterday. The copper is higher, and we are short. But of course, it was down, about 12 cents yesterday. Nat gas is lower, and we are long. The picture is very murky in here as to where we're going to go. Even in the grain markets, and suddenly, out of nowhere, the grains were lower until I started this update. Now, they're up across the board. Corn up 3, soybeans up 5, and wheat up 5. We're short soybeans, long corn, and wheat. I do think there's a chance to see a much bigger move, but it's interesting at how they are trying to take place and move that way. In the protein complex, both fats and feeders are basically flat. They're both slightly lower. We are long fat, short feeders, and of course hogs are higher, which we are short. But again, that's not a big deal. They've been getting hammered, so we can certainly live with that. And of course, in the softs, we reversed along the cotton this morning, so cotton is higher and we're long. Coffee is higher and we're long. Sugar is down, we're short. Cocoa is down, we're short. And OJ is flat, and we are short. So overall, the picture is not bad. Again, this is going to be a very wild ride. That's what you should expect. We're getting to that area of we're either going to break significantly higher or break them down. We could be setting up for a reversal of the Christmas of 2018. If you remember that, it was pretty ugly. Okay. So we'll see. Again, we're going to play the trend. We're going to play what the algorithm says, and that's the end of the day. In the meantime, don't forget about our other brokerage partner, and that is, of course, Tradier. Listen, Tradier for stocks and options. If you're trading stocks and options, you're probably paying 65 cents a contract or more, even though they tell you it's free. At Tradier, it's $10 a month flat. Okay, $10. It saves me 5 figures a month on the buy-in that I trade. Okay. And again, wouldn't you rather put that in your IRA than give it to a broker? In the meantime, not only that they have great customer service, but and they're $10, but we have their APIs, which allows us to automate our equity portfolios for our members at no charge. Trader doesn't charge, we don't charge. The only software we charge for is for the hedging software, because hedging is a class, not a membership. Okay. So, but it's great. It's a great platform. We love them. They do a great job. We have other brokers, but again, they're the best at it. And of course, you can check them out, try.tradier.com/Bubba. That's try.tradier.com/Bubba. And, family farms is farmers, you got to check them out. Look, nobody wants to do the grunt work, the HR and all the other crap that goes along with running a business. And of course, you are running a business. Check them out. It's familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. That is familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. And of course, our metals partner for physical or storage is Strategic Wealth Preservation. And you can reach out to them at swpcayman.com/Bubba-trading. That's Sierra Whiskey Papa, Charlie Alpha Yankee, Michael Alpha November.com/Bubba-trading. And our new advisory role in the cryptocurrency world with Chips, Charlie Hotel Papa Zulu. Listen, they're getting involved into hopefully the casino industry, which, start using, many of the offshore stuff uses Bitcoin already. So hopefully this will be a great idea. And we're on the advisory board there. And it's mychips.io, Michael Yankee, Charlie Hotel, India Papa, India Papa Zulu.io. Check them out. And our commodity report, technical, Andy writes it. 40 years in the business, travel worldwide, trading commodities, physical and off the board. You got to check them out. It's, technical. You can see it at BubbaTrading.com. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, Bubba Trading. And of course, it's Patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And of course, tonight, football in America. We had a loser yesterday at the Atlanta Braves. We still have the Braves for the series. But tonight, Green Bay Packers, a limping in group of Packers. You've got all the receivers are out basically. And the game went from 3.5 to 7. We had no real opinion on the game to begin with. I've actually middled it. I laid 3.5 and took 7. But I would tend to think that it's 7 or more. You probably want to play the dog for a beer and a pizza. I wouldn't get too excited here either way. I think the game's kind of gotten away. And again, there's still professional athletes. So check it out if you want it. Up to you. In the meantime, listen, have a great trading day. And we'll see you all back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.